Now I have 11, you've got 4.
No, I have 5.
No, you have 4.
No, I've been keeping score. I think I have 5.
4.
I'm done.
Do you have a difficult time keeping score?
Do you have a hard time keeping track of all of those points?
Are you sick of arguing with all of your friends about who's winning?
Well, at Sphero, we love to play games, but if you're anything like me, you're really bad at keeping score. In a previous Thursday Learn Day activity, we learned all about variables. And what better way to continue learning about variables than to create a program for Bolt that does
Keep score.
What better way to continue learning about variables than to create an incrementing variable program for Bolt that helps us keep score?
Perfect.
In this week's Thursday Learn Day program, we created a sphero-bolt block-based program where all you have to do is tilt it left or right in order to keep track of your points.
Awesome. Well, let's jump into the Sphero EDU app and get programming. In this program, we will be using variables that count up or increment each time an action happens. To start, we need to have variables created to store the values for each player's score. Then, we want to set a winning score in our loop until block. In this case, we'll set it to 3. We use an OR comparator block to state that when either variable's value is equal to the final score needed to win, the loop stops and we'll do the game ending sequence after the loop until block. Inside the loop until block, we have 2 if statements that say if the robot is rolled to the left or right, it will add 1 point to the score. We use an operator to take the value of our variables and add 1 each time it is tilted. We've also added a nice animation block to remind us which way to roll the Sphero robot to count the score for each player.
Thanks for that, Nate. Let's see if it works.
Player 1 has 22 points.
Awesome, our scorekeeper worked perfectly. Be sure to complete this activity in the Sphero EDU app, and we've also added a bonus challenge if you want to add up to 4 different people for scorekeeping with a team of 4.
Awesome, and be sure to check back next week for another Thursday Learn Day.